when we're going in.
I'm going to look for the queen. If I can find her and get my fingers on her, it's a done deal.
A lot of bees on the ground.
I didn't get a good grasp on it and it shook before I was ready.
It's probably too high up there.
Yeah.
Will she be bigger? How would you recognize her?
Yeah, she's a lot bigger.
There's Jason. Got no fear of the bees.
Okay, hold on, you're not over it anymore. Hold on. You're like over where the bees are.
Huh?
If you drop those, they'll go right where the bees are, right?
Big clump or the little clump?
This clump here is right here. So if you drop it right now.
Okay.
Here, let me hold this.
When they go.
I'll hold this. I'll hold this.
When they go. You got the rope?
I got this. Yeah, I don't have the rope.
You want me to slide that beehive underneath though?
Here, let's get him down.
Do you see a big one in there?
Oh, they're going to a lower branch this time.
Let's make sure that queen gets out of there. See if we can get them to come to a lower one here.
Yeah, I'm trying to see if I can see the queen in there.
Well, the camera's picking this up. What is this?
I can't believe they're sticking around after all this shaking around. I think that your detached thing here isn't going to let me detach it.
My face. Whoa. Let's come over here. It's awesome. Emma, you might not want to.
You'd probably be squishing. Here, Jason, I'll get you a little handful of bees you can get a picture of.
Oh, that's so pretty.
Here, could I touch them? I can stomp. I'm going to see if I can find a male. The males don't have hornets.
They do feel warm, I guess. I'm not sure this is me.
Oh my god, I'm touching them.
Just be careful of the sharp end.
Yeah.
Can I try? They're sharp.
They could get you.
I mean,
if you feel brave enough.
If they sting you, do not move fast.
I think one just went in my shoe.
In your shoe?
I
That's
think
not
so.
a good place.
I think so.
Which shoe?
This one?
This one?
Well, dude, don't. I felt something go.
I think it must have been just a...
Dude, this is cool. I feel like this is a zombie infection.
Slowly.
What do you do that? Dude, this is like the first.
So cool. It's a little million bee march. Time to find a new home.
One's on side my
You would think you just want to saturate the inside with like sugar, just so they just couldn't resist it like a